Welcome back. Today lesson from HTML tutorial is HTML iframe. So what is HTML iframe? HTML iframe is HTML document embedded inside another HTML document on the website. So iframe HTML element in most cases is used to insert content from another source inside the web page. HTML iframe we define with iframe tags. So let's create opening and a closing iframe tag. Okay, after we created iframe opening and closing tags, first we're gonna do is add source attribute. And inside the source attribute, we're gonna specify website or web address we want to show inside the iframe. So here I'm gonna add this page. Okay, also we can specify height and width for iframe. So first let's specify height. Let's say 300 pixels. And we can specify width attribute, let's say 400 pixels. Okay, now let's save changes and reload page. And here we can see that we have content from another page inserted on our web page. So basically here we displayed a secondary web page on our main page. You can notice by default that iframe contains border around it. So we can remove border, or we can change the size, color, and style of iframe border. So first we can set border to none, border attribute, and remove border. So here inside style, we can say that border is none. So if we save changes and reload page, you can see there is no border around iframe. And also we can change styles for border. So here instead value none, we can say, let's say 2 pixels, solid red. And now when we save changes and reload page, we can say that we can see that we have a new border with different styles around iframe. Also, we can use the link to show specific web page inside the iframe. But for that, we need to specify target attribute inside the link. And also we need to add the name attribute inside the iframe tag. So value of target attribute inside the link must be the same like value of name attribute inside the iframe. So here, before we specified the iframe tag, we gonna add link inside the paragraph. And here, first we're gonna specify which URL or which page we want to show. So here we're gonna copy this page, this URL. And here inside the iframe, we can delete this source attribute. So inside the link, we specify which page, which URL we want to open inside the iframe. But also we mentioned that we need to add target attribute. And here we can add any value. So let's say we can add iframe value. And also we mentioned that we need to add inside the iframe tag, we need to add the name attribute. And name attribute need to be value of name attribute need to be the same like value of target attribute. So we gonna copy this value inside the name attribute. Okay, now we have the same value. And here we can add some text. Let's see, live course results. Okay, let's save changes and reload page. And here we can see that we have a link and we have a iframe, but as you can see, there is no any content inside iframe. But when we click on this link, we should open this URL and this page will be shown inside this iframe. So let's click on this link. And now you can see that we have, when we click on this link, we shown this page inside this iframe. Okay, if you like this lesson, please support this channel with like and subscribe. That's all for today. If you have some questions, leave a comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.